Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account. So guys, if you want to connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply make it sure that you are using the updated version of Facebook app and Instagram app. So guys, you have to simply open your Play Store or App Store, and after this you have to simply use the latest version of Facebook and Instagram. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply open your Facebook page. So guys, here you can see this, my Facebook page is opened, and from here you have to tap on your page, and from here you have to simply tap on edit public details, and now scroll it below. So guys, again tap on edit and scroll it below, and here you will see links option for your Facebook page. You have to simply tap on add, and from here you have to simply tap on add social link. So guys, here you can see this, simply tap on add social link, and now tap on links, and from here you can see Instagram as well. So guys, you have to simply select Instagram for your page from here, and after this you have to simply tap on connect account. So guys, here you can see this. In this way you can also connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account on your device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.